admission of a new partner. When a new partner admits in the partnership, we calculate change in profit sharing ratio. Change in profit sharing ratio means we calculate new profit sharing ratio. The second one, adjustment of goodwill or treatment of goodwill. When a new partner admits in the partnership, he will bring his share of goodwill in cash or maybe in kind, or does not bring his share of goodwill in cash. The amount of goodwill is distributed among the all partners in sacrificing ratio. The third one is accounting of reserve, accumulated profits and losses. This also distributed among the all partners in all ratio. The fourth one is revaluation of assets and liabilities. Assets and liabilities. When there is a change in the value of assets and liability, we prepare the revaluation account. And the fifth and the last is adjustment of capital. We have already first, second, third, fourth, and today we will do adjustment of capital. It is adjusted on the two bases. First, adjustment of all partners' capital on the basis of new partners' capital or incoming partner. I have already done in previous lecture. The second one, calculating the capital of new partner on the basis of all partners' capital. How can we capital adjusted on the two bases? First one is adjustment of all partners' capital on the basis of new partner capital. Now calculating the capital of new partner on the basis of all partners' capital. Now you can see new partners' capital is not given. New partners' capital is not given. Now there are three steps to calculating the partners of the capitals of new partner. First, step 1, determine the total adjusted capital of all partners. First step, we will find out the total adjusted capital of the all partners after giving effect by adjusted goodwill, reserve and profit and loss on revaluation. First, we will find out the total adjusted capital of the all partners. Step 2, we will find out the total capital of new firm. When a new partner admit, now it has become a new firm. Total capital of new firm. Now how will you find out? In first case, total capital adjusted we have find out. So formula is total capital, that is adjusted, total adjusted capital into reciprocal of combined new shares of old partners. In second step, we will find the total capital of new firm. How will you calculate? First, we will take the total adjusted capital of the old partner into opposite combined share of the new old partners. Then step 3. Now we have find out the total capital of new firm into share of new partner. Now we have find out the total capital of the new partner. Capital of new partner. We will follow 3 steps. First step, we will find out the total adjusted capital of the old partner. In second step, we will find out the total capital of the new firm. And in third step, we will find out the capital of new partner. Now we will do a sum to how to do it. Yes, now there is information, 2 partners are given, A and B, old ratio is 3:2. C admit as a new partner for 1/5 share. He brings his share of goodwill rupees 1 lakh. Balance sheet is given there and there are some changes in assets and liability. First, we prepare the revaluation account. Revaluation account is prepared when there is a changes in assets and reassessment of liabilities. First, provision for doubtful debts is increased by rupees 20,000. It means provision, but for us that is a liability, has been increased by rupees 20,000. Increase in liability that will be shown on the debit side to provision for doubtful debts is rupees 20,000. Now the next one, value of land and building is increased to rupees 1,80,000. 1,80,000 हो गई है. Book value is there rupees 80,000. It has been increased by rupees 1 lakh. Then increase in asset that will be shown on the credit side by land and building rupees 1 lakh. Now the next one's value of stock is increased by rupees 40,000. 40,000 से बढ़ गई है. It is also shown on the credit side of revaluation by stock rupees 40,000. The next one, liability against workman compensation is rupees 20,000. I have already the fund of rupees 50,000. 20,000 will be claimed. Remaining 30,000 will be distributed among the old partners in their own ratio. The next one, information about the new partners. Now, total of the credit side is rupees 1,40,000. Debit side 20,000. It means credit side is more than debit side. There is profit that will be transferred to partners' capital account. In old ratio is 3:2. Profit is 1,40,000 minus 20,000 is 1,20,000. A share will be 72,000. B share will be 48,000. It's 1,20,000. This is about revaluation account. Now we will prepare the partners' capital account. It is the second case of adjustment of capital when the capital of new partner is not given. We will follow 3 steps to find out the capital of new partner A, B and C. Then A, B and C. First, we start from the capital of the all partners by balance drawdown. On credit side, A rupees 1 lakh, B rupees 1 lakh. Then by cash, that amount which new partner brings as his share of capital, we will find out. Then by premium for goodwill, mean new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash rupees 1 lakh, that will be distributed in sacrificing ratio. So it will be the rupees 1 lakh distributed in the absence of new ratio, we distributed in old ratio. Then by premium for goodwill 60,000 and 40,000. Then there is a profit or revaluation by revaluation account. Mean share of profit 72,000 and 48,000. Now there are some reserve by journal reserve rupees 1,50,000. It will be asked to distribute it in old ratio or to old partners. Rupees 1,50,000. Old ratio 3:2, 90,000 and 60,000. Then there is a workman compensation. Total is 50,000. 20,000 has been claimed, meaning 30,000 will be distributed in the partners in old ratio. Is rupees 18,000 and rupees 12,000. Now, what will be the total? It's rupees 3,40,000 and 2,60,000. Now we have to find out the capital of new partner. We follow the 3 steps to find out it. First step, find out the total adjusted capital of the old partners. After giving them reserve and all workman compensation, profit or revaluation, we have already find out the adjusted. Step 1, find the adjusted capital of old partners. Total adjusted capital of old partners. We have already find out after giving all the effects of adjustment. It's rupees A, rupees 3,40,000 and B rupees 2,60,000 is equal to rupees 6 lakh. First step we have done. Step 2, find the total capital of new firm. Total capital of the new firm. What will the formula? Take the adjusted capital of the all partners, rupees 6 lakh, into reciprocal of combined share of the old, new share of the old partners. Now find out. C share is 1/5. We will assume total profit is 1. 1 minus 1 by 5 is 455. It is the share of the old partners. Now reciprocal means opposite. Share is 4 by 5. We will do 5 by 4. It means now total capital of the firm is rupees 7,50,000. This is the total capital of the new firm. Third step, we have to find out the capital of new partner. Capital of new partner. Formula is total capital of the new firm and to his share 1/5 is rupees 1,50,000. Now the capital of C is rupees 1,50,000. Now it will be to balance carry down. Is 3,40,000, 2,60,000 and 1,50,000. Like 60,000, 1,50,000. Now, when the capital of new partner is not given, first you will prepare the partner's capital count. You will get the adjusted capital of all partner. Then opposite with their new share. Then you will find out the total capital. Then total capital into share of new profit. You find out the capital of the new partner. It's all about the admission of a new partner. Try to do it better. Do illustration.